Lucid Motors surely has a talent for remaining the center of speculation in the SPAC universe, with the latest round of rumors revolving around a potential bond with Apple. Given the similar design philosophy of Lucid Motors and Apple, it is not hard to believe how the rumors of the partnership between the two began doing the rounds. After all, both companies claim to market refined products and scream luxury. Moreover, both view themselves as disruptors in the respective tech sphere. However, Apple's EV gambit under Project Titan has created a fresh avenue for an assistance between these two companies. Hello and welcome to Elon Musk Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to get updated with technology trends. We bring you the video related to an insane partnership between Apple and Lucid Motors, so stick till the end. To date, the most significant connection between Apple and Lucid Motors is that of Sir Johnny Ive, the former chief designer at Apple, who left the company back in 2019. Today, Mr. Ive serves as an operating partner at the SPAC Churchill Capital Corp, which is expected to integrate with Lucid Motors by Q2 2021. However, this connection on its own is not enough to deduce a potential partnership. Let's dig deeper. Apple's greatest ambition is to make a feasible and applicable autonomous electric vehicle, which seems to be just a dream, but the tech giant's Project Titan is back on track. According to a recent report, Apple Incorporated is moving forward with self-driving car technology and is targeting 2024 to produce a passenger vehicle that can include its own breakthrough battery technology. Apple made a statement in 2017 that is making efforts to develop a self-driving car. It was reported that the project was dogged by its size and by the lack of clearly defined vision of what Apple wanted in a vehicle. It was also mentioned that the team members protested regarding shifting priorities and arbitrary or unrealistic deadlines, and that there were disagreements about whether Apple should develop a fully autonomous vehicle or a semi-autonomous car that could drive itself for stretches but allow the driver to retake control. Economic Daily News, a Taiwanese newspaper, citing sources within the supply chain, said that the car actually could appear as early as late 2021. Though that's highly speculative, and given unusual automotive lead times, would be extremely difficult. Nevertheless, a translated version of the story said, in response to the demand for Apple car sourcing, Taiwanese manufacturers are busy, a full burst of orders. It is expected for Apple to directly acquire Lucid Motors at this particular stage. Remember, as per recently concluded merger DA and Churchill Capital, Lucid Motors is now worth anywhere between $11.75 billion, which is the transaction equity value, and $24 billion, the valuation based on Churchill Capital's PIPE investment. If Apple had been really interested in acquiring Lucid Motors, it could have done so at a far significant discount just a little while back. After all, the Saudi PIF was able to acquire a 67% stake in the EV company for $1.3 billion back in 2019. With direct acquisition remaining unlikely going forward, what about a manufacturing partnership? As Lucid Motors is aggressively pursuing a vertical integration strategy for its EVs, the company will officially start delivering the Lucid Air EV in Q2 of 2021, with the AMP-1 production facility in Arizona coming online in the latter part of the year. In Phase 1, the facility will have a capacity of 34,000 units per annum. Phase 2 would double this capacity to 90,000 units per year. The Lucid Powertrain Manufacturing, or LPM1 plant, is also located in Arizona. This facility will manufacture electric powertrains, battery modules, and management systems, and Wonderbox chargers. The company has also indicated a willingness to establish manufacturing plants in Europe, the Middle East, and China. Apple, on the other hand, is likely to outsource the manufacturing of its Apple Car, as is currently the case with its iPhones. Here, too, this is a problem. Lucid Motors estimates that it will produce 251,000 units in 2026, a far cry from the production capacity required by Apple. Moreover, since the EV manufacturer is pursuing a vertical integration strategy, its production ramp-up will entail specific costs. Already, Lucid Motors expects to incur a capex of over $2.7 billion between 2021 and 2026. Consequently, it is believed that a manufacturing partnership between Lucid Motors and Apple would materialize. We believe that Magna International or Foxconn are much more likely candidates for the Apple Car manufacturing partnership. To wit, Magna's subsidiary, Magna Steyr, Fürstentarknecht, has secured a contract to build Fitzger's Ocean SUV on its FM29 EV platform. Moreover, Fisker has also signed an MOU with Foxconn to manufacture a new EV, codenamed Project PEAR, Personal Electronic Automotive Revolution. Foxconn is also collaborating with Byton on its electric sports utility vehicles. Additionally, back in October 2020, Foxconn unveiled its own EV platform, dubbed the MIH. The platform will be modular and scalable, consistent of a lightweight chassis and unibody design, powered by Stable Electronic Architecture or EEA, and feature autonomous driving technology. It will also feature a solid-state battery pack and an in-vehicle internet service. Given that Foxconn is also the ambassador of iPhones, it stands a much higher chance of securing a contract to manufacture the Apple car. Therefore, Lucid Motors is likely to remain a remote possibility in this arena as well. There is, however, one aspect where a collaboration between Apple and Lucid Motors remains much more likely: the Apple CarPlay. If Apple limits its foray into the EV sphere to the software side, the Apple CarPlay stands a much higher chance of seeing widespread partnership, including with Lucid Motors. Citi analyst Jim Suva touched on the prospects of the Apple CarPlay in a recent investment note. According to the analyst, this product would increase the total sales of Apple by 2% plus, with EBITDA increasing by 1% to 2% beyond 2024. Apple is now looking for a manufacturing partner. Several traditional automakers have emerged as potential candidates, after Hyundai and Kia recently attracted media attention after Hyundai confirmed that it was in discussions with Apple in early January 2021. Hyundai shares soared 24% upon the announcement. Both companies have U.S. manufacturing operations in Alabama and Georgia respectively. Apple had specifically been in talks with Kia, a Hyundai subsidiary, about developing an autonomous self-driving electric car for Apple in Georgia. The talks with Kia have since stalled. Upon the news breaking of the halted talks in February, shares of Hyundai fell 6% and shares of Kia dropped 13%. Nissan has since emerged as a potential partner. The established car maker has signaled its desire to take part in new technology initiatives. Chief Executive Officer Makoto Uchida reiterated this sentiment, commenting, "We need to take new initiatives and work with companies that are knowledgeable with good experience through partnership and collaboration." The Japanese car company's recent sales numbers have been unremarkable, and a partnership with Apple could attract higher-paying customers. A potential advantage Nissan has is that it already shares an electric car platform with Renault, its French partner. The eagerness of traditional automakers to pitch themselves to Apple reflects a broader shift in attitude. Not too long ago, established car manufacturers looked upon Silicon Valley's car projects with a degree of skepticism. They have since come to embrace these efforts. As cars increase in technological complexity and gradually evolve into a rolling personal device, car makers have sought out collaborations. That said, this is it for today's video. So, what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.